Hello dear student, now we are in the class 6 knowing our number. There we will see the introduction of estimation. So let's start the tutorial. So in the estimation means you have to convert the actual number into the round off number. For example, in exam if you got, will do generally teacher will convert this number into 18 because it is more closer to 18. So they do it as a round off. This number is a round off number. For example, you are going to shop and you have 99 rupees. So you are giving to shopkeeper 99 rupees. Then what happened? That shopkeeper will assume 99 is nothing but 100 if he doesn't have the chain. So you will not get back 1 rupees. One more example, suppose 31 is a number. So generally 31 can be done as a 30, so that 30 is known as a round off number. So what happened in the round off number, suppose you have one more example, 37. So 37 number which is present in between 30 and 40, got this? 37 number is present in between 30 and 40. So 37 and 30 difference is only 7. 37 to 40 difference is only 3. So the round off of 37 is 40. So in the round off case, what happened actually in the estimation, the number 1, 2, 3, 4 we convert into 0, and if the numbers are there like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we do it as a 10, we consider as a 10. So this technique we will use in the estimation. So number, suppose 37. So what happened here, 7 is a bigger number, means it is more than 5. So in place of 7 we write 0, then we add 1 to the leftmost nearest number. So 3 plus 1 is 4. This one also one more technique. So 37 is a 40. One more example. Suppose if you take 388, bigger number we are taking 388. So 8 is a bigger number. So first we will do 0. As 8 is a bigger, means it is more than 5. So 8 is converted into 9. So it is 390. So in this way you can use the estimation technique. Now here we will see next topic, rounding off to the nearest number, rounding off to the nearest. So for doing this we will take one number. So this is 5-digit number, and now we will see the rounding off to the nearest. So when you want to get 0 in the last digit, so last 2 digits are 31. So 31 number which is present between 30 and 40. So this number you can write it as 30. Rest of the number you write as it is, 45930. Our second trick is 1 is a lesser number, so write 0, 3 as it is. So this number is known as rounding off to the nearest tens. Got it? Next example. Now in last 2 digits I want 0. So 1 and 3. So 3 is a lesser number, it is less than 5. So rest of the digits as it is. So this number is known as a nearest, rounding off to the nearest 100, because last 2 are 0. Next example, in last 3 digits I want 0. So 31, 0, 9, in place of 9 you write 0. So 9 is a bigger number, it is more than 5. So 4 is converted into 5. So here 3 digits are 0. So it is rounding off to the nearest 1000. Got this? Last 4 digits I want now 0. So here fourth one is 4. So 4 is 0. 4 is less than 5. So 5 as it is. So this number 50,000 is nothing but the rounding off to the nearest 10,000. So we have seen if the last 0 is here, rounding off to the nearest 10. 2 zeros nearest 100, 30 nearest 1000, 40 nearest 10,000. Now we will take one example, 31491. So this is again 5-digit number. I want to convert into the rounding off to the nearest tens, 100, thousands and 10,000s. So tens means last digit should be 0. So 1 is there, 0 less than 5. So remaining digit as it is. Then hundreds, last 2 digit I want 0. So 9 is a bigger number. So 4 is converted into 5. Then 1000. So here 5 is there. So be careful. 1 will be 2. Then tens thousand. 4 digits should be 0. Here 2 is there. So 3 will be as it is. So in this way you can get the rounding of tens, 100,000 and 10,000. This is the easy technique. Now for the next topic we will see the estimate, sum, difference and the product. So now we will see first estimate, sum. So in estimate sum I take example 18 and 199. So here 18 number is present in between 10 and 20, but it is more closer to 20, so directly write 20. So here the rounding of 18 is nothing but 20, and here rounding of 199, as you can easily calculate, it is more closer to 200. So 20 plus 200 is nothing but 220. One more example, 18 and 19s are there. So 18 is nothing but 20, 19 is nothing but 20. So 20 plus 20 is 40. So in this way your calculation will be easier, and this is not the actual answer. This is known as the round off. So next one is estimate difference. So we have the two number 91 and next number is 76. So rounding off of 91 is quite easy, 90, and here we will do the difference. 76 is closer to 80. So 90 minus 80 is 10. So in this way you can do estimate difference. In the exercise we will see more example. Next one is estimate product. So in the estimate product your numbers are 19 and 81. So 19 is more closer to 20, 81 is more closer to 80. So here 2 zeros will be there. 8 into 2 is 16. So 1600 is your estimate answer. It is round off answer. It is not actual one. So in this way your calculation will become easier if you use the estimation technique. It is generally used for the rough calculation or for making the number into the round off position. So I hope friend you got the idea about the estimate, and on the basis of this introduction, this is the basic introduction of estimation. So on the basis of this we will see the exercise so that your concept will be clear. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.